Today we're working with a Hallmark furnace model HBD85. It is firing 75, 80. Okay, there's something about this type of furnace that when they do service, you gotta make sure you vacuum this. I'm gonna drop down. There's a pan over here you gotta drop down. So I gotta disconnect it right there. See that little pan there? You gotta take that out and drop the whole pan, and then you're gonna see what I'm talking about. It need to be cleaned, otherwise this thing will not run right. It turn out could be a headache if you don't do that. And I'm gonna show you something, so in case you guys one day run to this type of furnace like this. It's an oil furnace. Let me see if I can get this pin out of there. I gotta get my needle pliers, which I don't have it over here. Plus this thing over here, so I could get it out. No big deal. Just push it out. It's not gonna drop because it's a hook. To get out, and you're gonna have to take that pin out. You see it here, that little pin. Take that out. Put it over here. Don't lose it because you're gonna have to put it back. It's not gonna drop down. Now you're gonna have to lift it up from the hook. I'm gonna stick the bottle from the bottle over here so you can see it. Push it over. See now, holding that. It's hard to see it, but there's a little open space slot over here, and that's what the problem is. They get clogged over here, and they still start rumbling, making them come down. You gotta make sure this little slot over here, they're all clear, all the way down to the bottom. Same thing on the other side. He said he vacuumed, but the guy never vacuumed. I know he never vacuumed because he never cleaned this little slot. This doesn't look too bad. You see over here, those little slot there? They're all like that all the way down. So you gotta get a little brush and go there. Scrape and make sure they're all clear all the way to the bottom. So I'm gonna do that now. First I'm gonna vacuum, then I'm gonna brush it out with the little brush that I got. Alright, so let me I lost my brush, the one I used for that one. I'm gonna use this one over here. I'm gonna use this one, this wire brush over here. I'm gonna brush it all the way to the end. You gotta brush this type of brush. You gotta make sure you clean all the way down to the back. This one's not too bad, but you gotta do it. They get stuck. They will not run right. Things start rumbling regular kind of things. there with the brush, you know. Now I use the stable brush. All the way around. All the way down. Make sure the pieces. See this little hole there? Both sides. You don't want those things caught. They're gonna be open. Man, you know what? This brush works pretty good with that. Oh, awesome. Yeah, go right through. Oh man. You see right now? This little brush worked pretty good. That's pretty good with this. Cool. Nice. Cool. This side too. That should be good. That's pretty good for this stuff. Yeah. Let's see, you know. Sometimes it's hard to see. Yeah, this is the Hallmark HB D85. Alright, that's pretty good there. I think I got it. Right now. That's how the fume goes out. But when I lift this thing up, you see, let's get behind it. See? You know. See what I'm trying to do? Now those things get behind the clock and nice it up. There you go. It's in place. So I put that paint. I gotta put that paint back on over here. No, I'm gonna lose that paint. I got some in my truck anyway. Quick it a little bit so it doesn't come out. There you go, it's done.